Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another grocery haul to share. This one is from Walmart. Yes, had to go out to the grocery store. There was, I say in past tense because it's here already, a big snowstorm coming, and we had to get the Appalachian Special, which is milk, bread, and eggs. Oh, seriously, we were out of things and we were just going regularly to the grocery, but just happens to be the day before a snowstorm. Oh, we did get quite a bit of snow, so I'm glad that we did go out. 2% milk, 18 carton of eggs. This 18 carton of eggs was about $2 cheaper than Save-A-Lot. Yeah, so $8 for these. I love iced coffee, and I've been getting this one. This is probably the third time I've grabbed this one. Love is Blind in the flavor wedding cake. I love this one. It's so good. Hamburger buns, and of course I'm going to be going through a meal plan as we go. So these are for 1 meal of burgers and 1 meal of sloppy joes. Bunny bread. We got the giant loaf. Connor loves these Go-Gurts, and the last one that he had the SpongeBob ones in it, so this time I grabbed the Mandalorian. There's 16 in this box, and you get Berry Bounty and Cherry Galaxy. And I got this 5-pound roll of ground beef. This was $18 and some change, and I'm going to divvy this up into 4 meals after I'm done filming and freeze them. I just put them in freezer bags and try to get them to lay as flat as I possibly can. Oh, there was somebody struggling to get up the road. Hamburgers, sloppy joes, pizza casserole, and a meatloaf. All with under $20 worth of ground beef. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So that is mostly the meal plan for today. And then I got side items for other meats that I already have in my freezer. Also, a side note. For those of you asking, we are fine from the flooding. Our area did get flooding, but we live on like up a mountain. So the flood waters don't reach us, which I'm grateful for, but also terribly sad for the people that are affected in our area, because a lot of our area did get affected. Me personally, we were not affected. The only thing that we get affected by in my little area is down the hill, down the mountain. There is an area that floods out the road and the buses can't come through there, so we don't have school because there is a road that is the road right next to us down the hill, down the mountain, that is affected. So we were not affected personally by the flood waters, but our area, yes. There's been a lot of flooding, and now we have been hit with a few inches of snow as well on top of all of that. But we're okay from the flooding. I just wanted to let you guys know because I had some comments. I needed cheese, so we got Kraft Singles. This is the only sliced cheese I like. But when it comes to the slices, and every time I say that's the only whatever I like, I automatically think of the movie Slither. Have any of y'all seen that movie? It's the mayor basically the entire time is like, that's the only Coke I like. Did you pack as Mr. Pibb because that's the only Coke he likes? So every time I say that, I think of that movie. But Kraft Singles, I needed some shredded cheese, so I got some Kobe Jack shredded cheese for pizza casserole. And then Connor wanted one of the homemade pizzas that I make for his birthday, which is the 24th, and he's going to be 11. So I got some mozzarella cheese for that. And, oh, Tennessee Pride sausages. These are our favorite sausage patties. You get 30 of them for under $10. They're really good. They fit biscuits. They're good. My mom got me an early birthday gift. She bought me an air fryer. I've been wanting an air fryer forever. And she got me one for my birthday. My birthday's not until May, but she got me one. And I picked up some Tyson chicken nuggets for the air fryer, and also some corn dogs from Foster Farms for the air fryer. And I got some Neapolitan ice cream also for Connor's birthday. The last few grocery items, I also did grab a 40 pack of water also. A Great Value tomato ketchup. I'm going to use this for meatloaf. The large jar of Skippy natural peanut butter. This is our favorite peanut butter. And I have been doing cookie recipes, homemade gluten-free cookies. And I think that I'm almost ready to share them with you guys, because I always like to do a recipe once or twice before I share it, just to see what kind of tweaks and stuff I want to make to it before I actually film. And I think you guys are going to love this peanut butter cookie recipe. And I got one of these Good Seasons Italian dressing and recipe mixes. I use this for my one-pan chicken meal, so I already have chicken in the freezer. I'm going to make it that one night. Mamwiches, or Sloppy Joes, whatever you want to call them. Mamwich is the brand, but Sloppy Joes one night. We haven't had those in a long time, and it's a quick and easy meal. And corned beef hash. This is good for breakfast, so I grabbed one of those. I did get 2 chicken flavored stuffing mixes. I'm going to make chicken casserole because I do have chicken still in the freezer. So that's why I haven't bought any recently, because I still had a bunch of it stocked in my freezer. And I got 2 cans of cream of chicken soup for the chicken casserole. So there is a bunch of pieces for meals in this particular haul. And for the one-pan chicken, I also got 2 cans of whole new potatoes and 2 cans of cut green beans. And for Connor's birthday, he requested a chocolate cake, so I got the Great Value Devil's Food chocolate cake mix. And he wanted blue icing, so I got the Pillsbury's Funfetti Aqua Blue Vanilla Icing. And it does have sprinkles on top too. So I got that for his birthday. And that's all the groceries, but I wanted to share a couple other items too today in this haul. I picked up some Parents' Choice wipes, and these are just the fragrance-free ones. I just happen to have a huge display of these out in the aisle, and I remembered that I needed to get some of these. So they come in 300 pack, but yeah, picked up some Parents' Choice wipes. And then Great Value, the silk-proof plates. Get 150 in here. Now these, I believe, were right at $7, and these were $5 and like 50 cents. And we got a whole stack of paper plates because of the bad weather that we've been having. Because of the temperatures are in the teens and below that, there is a greater chance of our pipes freezing. So we do not want to wash a bunch of dishes in freezing temperatures and use the hot water. Does that make sense to a lot of you? Because our pipes could freeze and burst, and we don't want that. So we're going to be eating off of a bunch of paper plates here coming in the next few days. And then one more thing, and it was a big purchase. I don't know how well you can see, but I did get a brand new microwave. This is a Hamilton Beach. I got the one with the silver lining, and they had a black option, completely black option, but we got the silver lining. I like this one. And these were $98, and on Roback for $59.98. So $60 something microwave. I'm very, very excited to have a brand new microwave. I love items for the kitchen, and I've been needing a microwave for a while. So the old one just was the buttons don't want to work. So problem solved, brand new one. The microwave was the last item I got at Walmart. Apparently that was not all. I felt like I was missing items. I found a bag that I'd overlooked. So I also got the Great Value wide egg noodles, and these are going to be for the roast that I have in my freezer already. So roast, egg noodles, carrots, and potatoes one day in the crock pot. So good. And Jolly Time the Big Cheese, and this is the ultimate cheddar flavor popcorn. We really love this popcorn and pick it up from time to time. But you get 6 bags in here. And I believe this is like $4. because we love watching movies, and you gotta have some popcorn. And the egg noodles were like $1.50. And I know I didn't tell all the prices to all the items in this, but if you're curious to any of the items in particular and the prices, let me know and I will let you know in a comment. I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for in the kitchen videos, more hauls, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links and a meal plan. And thank you so much for watching.